In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add email addresses to your list on MailChimp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, as you already probably know, MailChimp is a free email marketing website, and what you can do, you can go ahead and manually add email addresses to your list. So to do this, what you need to do is come to the sidebar here and scroll down until you see Audience, which is this button right here. Click on that, and then it will bring you to this page here. And as you can see, this is your audience page. What you need to do is come over to Manage Audience, and then come down until you see Add a Subscriber. Click on that, and then once you've clicked on Add a Subscriber, it will load up this little page here. And as you can see, there's an option to put in your email address. So for example, if I go ahead and put in my email address, you can put that one there. And then if you know their first and last name, you can also put their first and last name in there. And then the address doesn't really matter, so you can skip that out. And then what you can do from here is add a phone number and a birthday if you've got it, and add any tags if you want to do that. So obviously you need to have permission to add people to your email list. So if you click this here, this person gave me permission to email them. And then if this person is already in my audience, update their profile, so you can just obviously go ahead and leave that unchecked. And then once you've done that, what you can do is click on subscribe. And then as you can see, once it loads up, the subscriber has now been added to my list. So if I go to overview or manage contacts and click on view contacts, as you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, I have now been added to my subscribers list on MailChimp. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.